Here's a Emerson fan. I figured out what was wrong. The chain wasn't set to high, so here's low. This is a demonstration with the chain on high. Originally the chain was on medium, but I switched it to high. It's just like that Hunter Studio series at a vacation house I stayed. It was on high originally, but someone had set it to medium because the low speed was a little too fast. I wonder why someone set this one to medium. Maybe they just didn't know. Here's medium low. It's better speeds now. Then here's medium high.
Do you feel like going there? We can definitely stop by.
And here's high.
Stop by, say hi. Yeah, I mean, I guess depending on what time it is, because I do have to go home and cook it.
This thing does wobble very bad. This one wobbles too. This one wobbles and makes ticking noise. I don't know if you hear it. Turns off. I'm gonna switch the knobs back because that knob didn't do anything because it was just a dimmer knob. I don't know what they did. They should put a fan control knob. That would be better than a dimmer. Because I thought it was a solid state for some reason. Spin down might be long on here too. In the last video, I couldn't do spin down because Mom told me not to. The one in the master bedroom stops quicker. I wonder why. Is that stiff bearings? It might have stiff bearings. Here's this one. I wonder why the one in Lucy's room starts on low. I think the control is probably Casablanca. They probably selected Casablanca instead of Emerson. Casablanca, Emerson, just like similar to Emerson Casablanca Classic. Which I don't know where's a place that has Emerson Casablanca Classic. Here it is. Still going. Yeah, man. Yeah, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.